Thanks for joining me in this course. Before I get started, I'd like to give you a set of expectations and what I believe would help you get the most out of this course. The first is that it will help for you to have experience with scripting languages. That could be Visual Basic for applications, could be Visual Basic, could be JavaScript or another language. Don't worry if you don't, but if you've seen some of these concepts before, then the techniques that I show you will make a lot more sense more quickly. Second, it would help, but it is certainly not required for you to have a background in science, math, or engineering. If you work in an environment such as an office where you are exposed to engineering, math, or scientific tasks, then it is very likely that you have all the background knowledge that you need to learn how to use Matlab effectively in those environments. And finally, you should have a willingness to explore. And honestly, of the three, that is the most important. Dig into the course, do some research on your own, play around with the Matlab scripting language, and you'll soon be getting results that you didn't expect.